when Professor Lipson told us he wanted a robot that could walk on legs and walk fast. I had a couple ideas inspired by media, which I felt I could implement, such as a cheetah, a walking robot from a video game, or even a spider. When realizing that a four-legged robot would probably give me the best advantage in terms of speed, I got to designing. And after many hours on SolidWorks, I created a design which I had named Metal Gear Max, after my favorite video game franchise, Metal Gear Solid, and my favorite F1 racer, Max Verstappen. After the design was complete, I started the print and fabrication of the first leg of the robot. After wiring everything, I managed to get it to move. That's when I started the print and the assembly of the entire first design of the robot. And finally, Max's first design was now complete. Unfortunately, soon after Max got its first body, it was evident that propulsion was a problem and it couldn't stand without a lot of help. After many attempts, I attempted to simulate it to try to find an optimal gait. Once simulation didn't work out, and I felt that it wasn't the most optimal for a high-speed quadrupedal robot, I decided to change the design once again. Due to Max's base being extremely modular and having detachable legs, I figured that the base was something that I could keep, while the legs were something I could modify. First thing I tried for was a lower center of gravity, so I changed my legs to be shorter and I had a longer knee to give me more torsion, allowing for higher propulsion when moving. Using Majoko, I was able to simulate this before I printed the parts. Initial observations included Max walking for a bit before falling over. After a couple test runs, it was determined that Max's strides were too long, and it was easier for Max to walk with shorter strides and shorter stride time. After many tests using reinforcement and machine learning, the robot slowly picked up speed and Max was going much faster. Just like its namesake Max Verstappen, it was determined to be the fastest ever.
No need to ask, he's a smooth operator.